The first official World Chess Championship match was contested by William Steinitz and Johannes Zukertort in the year 1886. The rule was who wins the first 10 games will be the champion and the draws will not be counted. Playing style of Steinitz was initially Steinitz was an all-round attacking player and then he changed to the positional style of play and highly improved his defensive skill. But at that time, no one knew what is positional play, and everybody told that Steinitz is playing like a coward. Although Steinitz started to play positional chess, but he did not forget the attacking skills. So he was able to play in both attacking and positional styles. Playing style of Zukertort was the best attacking player of his time, but he could not understand the positional style of play. All attacking chess players of that time used to play e4, but Zukertort preferred openings like c4, knight f3 that are closed or semi-closed. Knight f3 was initially known as Zukertort's opening, but 40 years later, people started to call it as Reti opening. He was suffering from heart disease, kidney problems and many other diseases. Poor health and lack of physical stamina became his long-term weakness. Playing strength of Steinitz was attacking play, positional play and defensive skill. And the playing strength of Zukertort was attacking play and only attacking play. Now the weakness of Steinitz was habit of playing experimental moves in serious competition. And the weakness of Zukertort was positional play, defensive skill and lack of physical stamina. After 5 rounds of play, Steinitz won only 1 game and Zukertort won 4 games. After 10 rounds of play, the score was equal. Steinitz had 4 wins and Zukertort also had 4 wins. After 15 rounds of play, Steinitz won 6 games and Zukertort won 5 games. So Steinitz was leading by 1 game. After 20 rounds of play, Steinitz was able to score 10 wins and Zukertort had only 5 wins. Thus, Steinitz won the championship and William Steinitz is the first official world chess champion. We will see the last game of this match. Steinitz is playing with white pieces and Zukertort is playing with black pieces. The game started with e4, e5, knight c3, which is Vienna game, knight c6, f4. And this gambit is known as Steinitz gambit, ef4, d4, d5, ed5 and the knight on c6 is attacked by the d5 pawn. Zukertort played queen h4, check, trying to gain some tempo to save the knight on c6, but this is a risky move because moving the queen early into the game is risky because the opponent can gain tempo by attacking it or the queen can be trapped. Steinitz played king e2. This move looks weird, but this is playable. Queen e7 check, king f2, again queen h4 check, and still the knight on c6 is under attack. g3, fg3, king g2. Now Zukertort saves the knight by playing knight d4. Steinitz cannot recapture on d4 because the knight is protected by the queen. hg3, queen g4. Zukertort is trying to exchange the queen from the board because it is becoming very dangerous for him, so he is trying to exchange, and if Steinitz exchanges the queen, then Zukertort can recapture with the bishop and it will be a development of the bishop. Steinitz played queen e1. He is trying to keep the queen on the board because the queen is a very good attacking piece and he is in attacking mood in the last round. He wants to finish the match by winning the game. Zukertort replied bishop e7, bishop d3, developing another piece. In this position, it is better to play king f8, moving away from the pin and freeing the bishop on e7. But Zukertort played Knight f5, knight f3, developing another piece. Bishop d7, planning to do long castle. Bishop f4. Now Steinitz is setting up a trap to trap the queen. His idea is to play knight e5 and the queen will be trapped. To avoid this trap, f6 is the only move, so that the knight e5 can be prevented. Steinitz is ahead in development, so he is continuing attack with pieces. So he played knight e4. Now Zukertort played knight h6, which is a big blunder. Pause this position and think why this is a blunder. If you can find why it is a blunder, then you are very good in seeing the combinations. Well, Steinitz continued with bishop h6. Good move. Zukertort captured with knight h6. Now another good move, rook h6. White is now a whole piece up. Now Zukertort played another blunder, gh6, and he missed the fork on knight on f6. The bishop on e7 cannot capture the knight on f6 because the e7 bishop is pinned by the queen on e1. The game continued with king f7 and knight g4, and the game ended. Thus, Steinitz became the first official world chess champion. Now this is the time to test your calculation skill. We will check a position from round 4 of this world championship match where Steinitz is playing with white pieces and Zukertort is playing with black pieces. From this position, Steinitz played knight c4 and he was thinking that he is winning a pawn. So what is your assessment of this position? Is Steinitz really winning a pawn? Write your answer in the comment section and watch the next video to check your score.